Can you believe that you can also get paid to listen to music? It's like earning money even in your free time, just absolutely doing nothing. That sounds quite interesting, right? There are legit ways to get paid to listen to music. If you are listening to music anyway while you are on your computer, watching TV, eating, or working, why not getting paid to do that? In this video, I will be showing you a new strategy on how you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And if you like, you can make this your part-time income. All you will be doing is listening to music and earning money at the same time. This method I'm about to show you is absolutely free for everyone around the world. And it doesn't matter which country you're from, as you can also start earning money with this strategy. What I love the most about this is that you can listen to your favorite songs in whatever device you prefer. You can use your computer, laptop, tablet, or even mobile phone. And internet connection is also required. Make sure to follow all my steps and try not to skip any parts, as I really want you to start making money with this simple strategy. You can now continue watching this video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Making money by listening to music seems unbelievable, but it's absolutely possible. And it really is a simple way to earn a couple or even $100 in a few minutes. But before I will be showing you the strategy, you need to create yourself a free PayPal account to receive your earnings from the websites I'm about to show you in a bit. You can now go to paypal.com. Then simply click on this blue button here that says Sign Up. You'll be taken to this next page where you can choose Personal Account and then click on Next to start filling in your information and finish signing up. It's very easy to create an account at paypal.com, and it only takes a few minutes to do it. And once you have created your account, then I will be showing you these websites where you can add your payment details to start receiving your earnings by listening to music. You can now go to the first website, that is RadioEarn.com. On this website, you will start earning points for listening to your favorite songs or radio. These points will then be converted into money that you can later on withdraw to your PayPal. Now, when you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you will be able to see the statistics of RadioEarn. Currently, they have over 600,000 members who have already earned this amount of money. That's actually a pretty good amount of money. If you have more questions about this website, then you can get all them answered by going here. You can read yourself that their website is free, and it's also 100% free to become a member on this site. You will get paid through bank transfer, Bitcoin, or PayPal. And they also exchange points into gift cards. And as I mentioned before, they do accept members all around the world. Now, to create yourself a free account, you can click on this button here that says Sign Up Now. You'll be then taken to this page where you need to fill in your information in order to sign up. Once you have created your account, then you'll be able to log in and see your dashboard looking like this. To start listening to 3 radio stations, you can click here that says Start Earning and then click Listen Radio. You will earn points for every 2 to 3 minutes of listening to music. And then you can see those points added to your account that you can later convert into real money. You can choose whatever payment method you prefer and want to receive your earnings. You can add your payment details to your account by clicking on Account and then to Payout. But before you can do that, you need to earn at least $5. Now, to start listening and earning money, you can go here and then click on one of these radio stations. Then you will be redirected to this next page where you can listen to music by clicking on the play button here. If you like, you can just leave this page into the background and do your other activities. As you don't even have to listen to it, you can just turn the volume off and leave it like that. And that's how easy it is to listen to music and make money with this website. I highly recommend trying out this platform. As you could see yourself, there's not much you need to do in here. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Here's another website that I found and which also pays you for listening to music. You can now go to cash4minutes.com and then sign up right away by clicking on this button here. You can create your account with your email address and also with your existing Facebook account. When you have created your account at cash4minutes.com, then you can also link your PayPal account to it to receive your earnings. Also, make sure to confirm your email address by checking your inbox and clicking on the confirmation email they have sent you. Right after doing those things, you can start listening to music and earning money at the same time. It's time to show you the next website, that is, hitpredictor.com. On this site, you will actually be earning money for giving feedback for the music you have listened to. You can easily sign up on this website and start rating music by clicking on this button here that says Create Your Account Now. Then you'll be taken to this sign up page where you just need to fill in your information in order to create yourself a free account and then start listening and rating the music you earn points for that you can later on convert into real money and then receive the earnings to your PayPal. Here's the last website I would like to show you, and that is musicxray.com. Here you can also start listening to music, then review the songs, and of course, earn money by doing that. As they say themselves, they are the industry's leading song and talent filter. They have over 1,000 songs you can start listening and give rating to. You actually have two options on this site how you can start earning money. You can start listening to music and review it. And secondly, you can also submit your own music to musicxray.com and then get paid for applying for the jobs listed in here. You can now open all these websites that I showed you in this video. The first one was radioearn.com, and then cash4minutes.com. The third one is hitpredictor.com, and the last one, musicxray.com. You can simply create yourself a free account on all of these four websites and then start listening to music and see earnings coming into your account day by day. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.